I thought rest was for losers until this happened. So last couple of days, I'm fucking sick as fuck. I'm coughing like a motherfucker, and I've gotten to the point now where I can kind of push through it, like I am currently. I don't know why I'm talking like this, and work those hours. And I realized that it's very dumb because it actually stops me from getting back into full effect on time. I think there's a difference between pushing past your emotions and pushing past your health. And there's so many cases of entrepreneurs, big entrepreneurs, really successful entrepreneurs that push past their physical body's needs and who work those hours so they can pull the future they want forward. But I've seen it over and over again where, well, I haven't seen it over, I've had it over and over again, and I've seen it sometimes where they always just hit a wall and then health gets fucked, and then they just have to chill for a year, and they have to go really slowly, and then they have to build back up. And it's like that entire year, right? That's terrible. So I think I've kind of let go of the idea of I have to push through my rest, and I don't have the belief in me anymore that I have to ban out a few times for me to, really work long hours. And I think the rule I'm starting to adopt is if I do this, will I wake up tomorrow rested? It's like when I'm doing this video, I'm doing it because I'm doing it daily uploads. And like if I do this, I know I'm really sick right now, but I wake up tomorrow with the same rest. And I think doing that going forward will keep me keep me pushing it forward. So it's like I can probably add an extra 30 to an hour every day and like get better and better, bigger, better incrementally going forward. And I can also keep it consistent, right? Because then if I can wake up tomorrow rested, then I'm completely chilling. And also my work's gonna be a lot better. And I think pushing through health is just it's not a good idea. So that's it. Ciao. I don't think this video made that much coherent sense because I'm cooked. But gotta stay fucking consistent out here.